Hard to believe that it's been 4 years. It only seems like a decade. When I first started in the hobby, I found this website that had the 5 most valuable Matchbox cars, and I set out to remake them. I started with the apple green Mercedes, which was a pre production creation. Then I moved on to the orange Mustang Fastback that had the 1 to 75 wheels, which was a transition piece leading to the super fast version, which was orange. The last one I did was a sea green Opel Diplomat, sold with the earliest transporter set. I recall the 2 remaining castings on the website were one of the Barford rollers and a crane, which I actually have the casting for and may due later this winter. On every anniversary so far, I have created this modern service tow truck, which was one of the first castings I ever did. Each year, I learned different skills, and the tow trucks reflected that. First one was painted with enamel, the second was Spectraflame with a wheel swap, the third one was Gaslands, and last year I 3D printed my own 1 to 75 wheels and did an homage to the 13D Dodge Wreck Truck. This year I decided to merge these two for my anniversary and recreate the reverse color number 13D Dodge Wreck Truck. I purchased this casting on eBay and it has some problems. I had to order some glass for it and whatnot and decals. But it turned out not too bad, so stick around. was disappointed that my decal got damaged. It was intact when I put the wheels on, I can tell by looking at the footage, and I have absolutely no idea what happened. The decal came from Black Square Decals in England, and the next time I order decals, I'll order a replacement so I can fix it. But other than that, I can honestly say I'm happy with that. Thanks for 4 years of support. This is Time Rider, and I'll leave the light on for you.